Okay guys, so it's another beautiful day today. I'm just gonna sort this guys out. So you can see from the video I did yesterday, I had my kids helping me with unpacking these deliveries I had. So for today, I'm trying to take the patterns out. I'll take all this bin. So I've got this small one left. I'll just get it here. So this dress needs to go to the bin. I'll leave this one here just so I can use it to clean the floor. So I'm going to turn the camera. Oh, I didn't bring my laptop. Oh, I need to go get my laptop now. I'll turn the camera. It's a bit chilly here today. Hey, there's something I wanted to show you. I mean, you saw it here first. So I've been working on this for a few years now. But the thing is, I've been taking time to actually put it into. I did a sample, I think about two and a half years ago, like before I had my third child. I did a sample. So what I'm talking about is our bikini collection. I've always wanted to do like a bikini collection. So I did a sample. I did the fabrics, sent it for sample. It came back, it looked all right. But then by the time I went into like having my third child and all of that, things just kind of like delayed and I did not go into production with it. So I decided to try again this year. The only thing is, the sample has only just arrived. It's June. I was hoping for the sample to be here in April, May, June. So what, like 3 months behind time, just so we have enough time to do the shoot for it, do the boss vibe for it, and also do the actual production of it, because it did take quite a while. We've been on this communication since like January or February, and this has only just arrived in June. I mean, like end of June now. So today is the 27th of June. I arrived 2 days ago, so the 25th. So it's really taking a while. So I'm thinking, rather than the swimsuit going live this year, because it's going to be like too rushed if we're having to do the production for it, I'll just leave it till next year. Then we have enough time to do the production. I want to add a few more things to this, maybe like the see-through dress or the sarong, just really nice vibes for this, but using the same exact print. So I'm just going to show you like what it looks like. So this is one of it. I quite like how it came out with this color. So this is one of it, and the back is like quite low back, and then it's got the rope things on the side. Should I actually be showing this now? Only because this is going live next year. I don't think it matters, to be honest. And then there's this one. It's a bit on the, it's not like too bright like that. So we've kind of combined it with black. So I quite like how this turned out as well. And there is the actual like bikini. So there's like 3 designs. We're just going to start with 3 designs for now, see how it goes, and if we need to add more designs depending on how people take to it, then why not. I'm thinking to do some things around this one. Maybe like add flowers to it. I'm thinking that might be good. I'll see. This is not this is the sample, but I can still make changes to it. So I'm thinking that flower thing might add to things, you know. Okay, so that's that one. We'll probably make it go live next year, so we have enough time to do photo shoots, we have enough time to do production for it, and add 1 or 2 more things to this bikini line. So the cover up, I think the cover up might be like kimono and trousers, and then let me not air my thoughts out on this place too much, only because it's still a work in progress. Right, so let's get into the business of today. So yesterday I was out here till a bit late, bringing out the things I needed to ship today and all of that nice things. So I have got some of them here. Let me put this earring away. I'll need to run and go get my tablet. I'm going to go live on YouTube in a bit. Where's my second phone? Okay, here it is. I'm going to go live on YouTube on my second phone. And yeah, get into the swing of things. I'm just going to hang this here. It's currently 11 o'clock, so I should be done with all of this at least by 12:30, 12:31 max. Then I've got an event tomorrow, a fashion show, so I'll need to start bringing out the things that the models will be wearing, iron it, put in a suitcase, just so by the time it's time for school run, I know that that is sorted and out of the way. So yeah, that's the plan for that one. So yeah, let's just get right into it. Yes, I've managed to bring my laptop here, and I'm going to send to print now, just so I can get into things. I went in, it was supposed to be like a quick 5 minutes. Is that all? That's not possible. Why is it printing in bits? Okay, that's more like it. Okay, so I'm going to start putting the order against the item, so we can get into the swing of things. There's two orders that have just come in. Tony in a 16 and Risa in a 12. I'm going to do those two now, just so I know that that is sorted. Okay, right, let's start sorting this out now. Feel free to say hi when you're joining the live, and let me know where you're joining the live from. Let me know what you're up to this beautiful Saturday morning, afternoon, evening, wherever you're joining from. Okay guys, so I just carried on packaging the rest of the order and also listening to some free music from YouTube audio library until I was done. I went to the post office to drop the ones I needed to go with the post office, and the ones I needed to go with UPS, I just left it for them to come pick up. And that was it pretty much. I managed to do most of the orders I had pending. If you enjoyed the content of this video, you know what to do. Like, share, subscribe, click on the bell icon so when I post any upcoming videos, you get notified. And thanks for hanging out with me today. I will see you guys in the next one. Take care. Bye.